right, y'all. Ooh, I look like I just came on here like a real deal. This practice, baby, because practice makes perfect. First of all, Grand Rising. Come on, come through, believe your little boo. Hey. Loud 93 Supreme. Hi guys, we are about to garden. Healthier soil, healthier you. Now, it looks like the majority of people that I have on here are guys. How are you guys doing this morning, Grand Rising? What y'all had this morning? Did y'all have y'all water? Y'all drunk y'all water? I've already ran through one of these this morning. Now, remember, the healthier your soil, the healthier you will be. We about to get ready to start planting these, guys. Hold on. Ooh, baby, can't drop that good fucking Evermore water, baby. I don't think so. That water ain't cheap. So, boom. Evian. Sorry, I was about to say Everclear. So this morning, we are about to get ready to plant these babies. You can see that we already have a strawberry already growing from our strawberry tree. But we need to get this in the ground like yesterday. Okay? Hey, girl, you look so good. What's your name? You got a man? I mean, like, does it even matter? Because when they ask them questions, they don't even be caring if you got a man or not. They just ready to come with the next thing. If she got a man, I'm gonna say this. If she ain't got a man, I'm gonna say that. Don't mind me. I'm in a good mood today, y'all. We got some Swiss chard. We playing some Swiss chard. I'm actually gonna move this like this. Hey D, there y'all go. Y'all don't need to be looking at me. Y'all need to be looking at the garden, okay? There we go. We already got some mint down here doing their thing. And we got lettuce right here, guys. Oh, that filter making me look like a clown. We got some lettuce right here. We got zucchini, squash, boom. And we got some bell peppers that desperately need to be planted in the ground. Okay, now got some cucumbers, tomatoes, bell peppers, and tomatoes. Now, when you guys are getting ready to plant, what I will say is be mindful of what you're planting and where you're planting at. Now, I'm about to get ready to do a whole row of herbs right here. And I'm going to put the lighter veggies and fruits together. Like the herbs and the lettuce gonna go together, okay? I'm not gonna put soft herbs next to a hard tomato tree. You know what I mean? I'm gonna put the soft herbs with the soft herbs. Something is smelling around here. It's smelling good. I'm gonna put the soft lettuce with the soft lettuce. The Swiss chard and the lettuce are gonna go really great together. And then the strawberry is gonna go really great together. Look at that. Like, that is amazing. So guys, if you guys need tips, directions on what to plant, when to plant, where to plant it, go in my link tree right now and you can download the Louisiana Planter's Guide, okay? That Louisiana Planter's Guide is going to let you know what's the best fruits and veggies to plant. What's the main things to plant? Again, go in my link tree is the first link. Download that PDF, and that's gonna let you know when you need to start planting, what you can start planting, what type of zone you in. You need to know your zone in order to know which fruits and veggies you should be planting. But enough of this bullshit, because guess what? I ain't even supposed to be on here today. I'm supposed to be in my garden doing what I do, but I just wanted to come and say hi to you guys and tell y'all, get your asses together, because we about to start planting late February, early March. We're gonna start planting. And I'm going to have some classes for you guys. I'm getting resources together now so we can start that. I struggle with strawberries, but it won't defeat me. Hell no, it won't. Hell no, it won't. I'm going to definitely... Yo, I'm ready to eat this one right now. So pretty and so ripe and so red. Look at it. I'm going to definitely help y'all get it together. And I don't even know why I got on gloves, because I really don't do gloves. Only reason I got on gloves is because we put more topsoil in here right now. And speaking of which, I'm starting to GoFundMe. Y'all, look at my boots. Look at the boots. My good boots. I'm starting to GoFundMe because I need some goddamn gardening shoes, okay? So be looking out for that GoFundMe so y'all can buy me some goddamn gardening shoes. Because I done effed up my pretty boots. Like, I just decided to wear them this year, and baby, they are done. Like, when I say done, ain't no more getting that back. I gotta order me a whole new pair. So again, donate to my GoFundMe. Everybody put $1 in, and we gonna get me some more shoes. Hold on. Now y'all bullshitting, but I'm really about to start an Amazon wish list. We can do that. So the sun is coming out. Hey. So that means sun's out, buns out. Hey, 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 hey. But no, we can actually start to get dirty. Take all this off. Take this shit off because we really don't do no gloves. And let's get it popping. What I'm really gonna do is have these tomatoes right here, because the tomato trees are gonna grow heavy, and I'm gonna have to put a stick right here. I'm gonna put the bell peppers right here, put the tomatoes right here, hot peppers right here, cucumbers. The reason why I'm assorting this like this is because you got to think about how it's going to grow. The tomatoes tree are going to grow big, right? Tall. So you want to have this right here. Cucumbers, they're going to grow pretty big. I'm going to kind of put them in the back. And jalapenos and bell peppers, they're going to grow big, but they won't grow too big. So I can kind of put these right here. The hot peppers first, then the bell peppers. The zucchini and squash right there. This is just a regular little flower I got. Okay, so let's get it, guys. Remember what I said. If y'all need assistance, go ahead and look in my link tree. The first document you'll see is going to be the Louisiana planting guide, and y'all can download that and we can get started. We're going to get started planting the end of February, the beginning of March. So get there, and I want to see you guys in my classes. Okay, I don't want to hear no BS talking about, I don't know how to. Hey, baby, you got the guide. All you need to do is get the materials and show your ass up. So let's go.